Khas IT presents Chai Shai with Aisha Season 2. Khas IT is your one-stop shop for all IT solutions, and this podcast is powered by Square 89 Studio. Today on Chai Shai with Aisha, there's something brewing. We have three amazing, fantastic people, and I love their vibe, guys. You have to watch this video to know more about them. And I really ate their brains a while ago. They are just pretending to be so quiet and so calm. They're not like that. You just need to watch them all and stay tuned. These three amazing people, Avikyan Bhattacharya, we have Subika Fawad, and we have Stuti Parekh. So, are you ready, guys? कौन बनेगा करोड़पति में? इतने सीरियस नहीं रहना है आयशा के पॉडकास्ट में, खुदा के वास्ते. सो एक तो चीज़ है कि थैंक यू फॉर टेलिंग मी आई एम ऑल्सो एन आर्टिस्ट करके. मेरे को नहीं मालूम था 1 घंटे पहले तक कि देयर इज़ एन आर्टिस्ट इनसाइड मी. सो इवन हैना आर्ट मतलब आर्टिस्ट हो गए, एंड जो हैंड राइटिंग भी लिखता है अच्छे से उसको भी आर्टिस्ट बोलते हैं. मेरे को रोना आ रहा था गाइस, बस जस्ट तुम लोगों की फ़ोटो मैं घर पे रखूँगी अब इसके बाद. ओके, सो बिफोर वी जंप इनटू द क्वेश्चंस एंड ऑल, जस्ट लेट मी नो हाउ आर यू गाइस फीलिंग टुडे?
Nervous maybe?
Nervous? Ayo. You
No, I'm excited.
excited?
Yes.
I'm fantastic.
Fantastic. Okay, with regards to colors, like any specific reason why you guys are wearing these colors?
I love black.
You love black.
Yeah.
That's why. Okay. And you?
Yeah, and green is like keeping you calm,
Huh?
so I'm wearing green.
Okay. And तो कौन सा है
No
कलर कैसा?
specific reason.
No specific
No,
reason.
no.
मूड बन गया, मैंने
हाँ.
पहन लिया बस. चाय शाय में यही पहनना था मुझे.
Iron नहीं करनी पड़ती.
That was good. So the very first standard question, like what really made you of this profession? Like why you wanted to become an artist? We'll start with Avikyan.
From a very young age, from when I was, I believe, like 8 or 9, I've been good at sketching. And honestly, that's as much as my talent goes. After that, it's been obstinance, or I'm very stubborn in the way that I want a very specific result. And I need to get that one way or the other. It has to happen. And that's also why I like photoreal painting so much. So
Okay.
in a way, it was a very natural process for me to go from sketching to painting and then to being an artist.
Okay, that was your calling then.
Yeah,
Okay.
easily.
Easily. Okay. How about you, Subika?
It just started actually. I wanted my emotions to let them out from myself, and my husband forced me into it. Like there's no other better way to let it out. Then it started just like that.
Just like that.
Yeah.
But you started late in life.
Yeah, I started in 2018.
Mm.
17 or 18 approximately. I was in mid 30s or early 30s, you can say, at that time. And yeah, it started and I am loving it.
You're loving it.
Yeah.
And how about you, Suti?
I think I have a good genes. Like my mom used to paint, so it's from her.
Okay.
So I was very young when I started painting and drawing, and now I'm in the field of art therapy. So it
Okay.
involves people inside it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
आर्ट थेरेपी यहाँ पे पता चल रहा है, इनको भी थेरेपी हुई है बराबर से. आर्ट ने हील किया है इनको. Yeah, but you were not into this profession before.
No, I'm a pharmacist basically. And my brother is an artist and he's an amazing artist actually.
Okay.
My critic as well. I have to send everything to him to get approved first. So yeah.
Okay, so that is how it works for you all. Now there is another thing, like art is not something that is considered as a mainstream profession, you know.
Yeah.
So you guys didn't get any kind of objections from your family side, like यार artist क्यों बनना है, कुछ job कर लो फिर ये कर लो, ऐसे कुछ है तुम्हारे इसमें, या how was it? We can.
For me, I do both.
You do both.
I just do both.
I don't want to leave anything. Both. Double होना चाहिए दोनों तरफ से.
Yeah, easily. Because the way it is, I'm a student right now, but I will get into a job, I will settle here. And art is something that I see more of as a passionate hobby. Because the thing is, if it's a hobby, there are certain perks you have. If it's a profession, then that means I'm worried about it. I'm never worried about my hobby.
Okay.
I can do whatever I want, whenever I want. Like there'll be days when I'm essentially thinking, okay, I'm feeling inspired. I'm going to start painting at 11 p.m. And then go all the way till 4 a.m.
Okay.
That's usually when my inspiration strikes. I don't know why. I don't know what's wrong with me, but that's the way it is.
That's how it
Right.
is. Okay.
And there'll be other days when I'm like, okay, I was supposed to paint today, but I'm not feeling it. I won't paint.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a beautiful thing in that way.
Okay. ठीक है. And but your family didn't object you.
Oh
that
no,
much.
they supported me beyond anything I could have ever imagined, like all the way to high heaven and back to earth.
Okay, that's amazing. How about you, Zubika?
Yeah, as I told you that my husband was the biggest
Your
support.
husband, yeah.
And my parents have been always very motivating.
Your parents as well?
Yeah, they have always motivated their kids ke whatever they want to do, jo karna hai karo, and don't let your passion die. And it's never about money. Just jab aani hoti hai wo aa jati hai.
Yeah.
But it's more of like you are doing what you are enjoying actually.
Absolutely. And Stuti, you?
Yeah, I'm
Mama तो
from
बोला
a
है ना
small
आपने?
small city, you know.
Okay.
So उधर है ना वैसा था कि भाई आर्ट करो but हॉबी तरीके करो,
हाँ.
not as a profession.
Okay.
So my parents were always like that कि hobby है तो it's okay, but as a profession don't think. Go for accounting, go for banking, you know. So, but after marriage and after having kids, I thought that no, art is my subject and I'm passionate about it, so I have to do something in that.
Okay.
So I studied at 40.
You studied at 40, mashallah.
चालू
Age
किया
is,
40 से.
age is just a number बोल रहे हो आप तो.
Yes.
You know, कुछ सीखने के लिए especially and this
Yeah.
was completely.
And it was very hard to
Yeah.
come out of the box, out of my comfort. But I have to do.
Yeah, and I'm sure without family support तो वो होने ही वाला ही नहीं था
नहीं.
बिल्कुल भी.
हाँ हाँ.
All righty, right. So if not an artist, what would you be?
If not, as in, if I wasn't an artist at all,
Yeah.
probably tech YouTuber still.
Okay.
I am still a tech YouTuber,
Yes.
but it's
but other than that,
outside
something-
of that, God.
if
I
not all
haven't
of
thought
this, what
about
you're doing right now, then what?
If nothing at all,
Yeah.
well, I have not thought about that in the slightest.
True. You can go back and think then about it.
Yeah.
कुछ ऐसा आ रहा है? Anything in your mind?
Probably like, I'd maybe go into medical.
Okay.
If that's the only thing that I would do outside of everything else and leave everything else behind, then maybe medical, because I have an affinity for bio. I did my bachelor's in biotech as well, right? And then I realized just how much you have to memorize.
And then you quit.
Yeah. I was like, no, I'm much better at managing things than I am at memorizing things.
Okay. Cool. And you, Zubika?
I would have been in marketing, pharmaceutical marketing.
Okay. And you?
Yeah. I always thought about art teacher only. So I think maybe dancing was another passion for me.
Okay.
So maybe in that field.
छुपे रिश्तों में सारे के सारे यहाँ पे. Okay. Abhigyan, you're the youngest in this room right now. Okay. And I think in your community as well, I am assuming that you must be among the youngest ones.
Among them,
Yeah.
I'm gotten an age where now.
Okay. So if I'm not wrong, so you must be getting a lot of advices and suggestions from the artist.
Oh yes.
You do?
Yeah.
Or is it the vice versa? You suggest them that this
No,
needs
no,
to be
no.
done this way.
I absorb
It's
it
so
all in.
quiet.
So what kind of suggestions do you basically get from them?
Well, it can vary. Like I often get some critics about my artworks, which is fantastic. It's exactly what I want. It's one of the big reasons why I do exhibitions, to first and foremost see what other artworks are all about. Right. So many artworks that I have now have been inspired by all of these exhibitions.
Okay.
And secondly, if someone says that, this part, it looks a little off to me, and there may be a reason why I did it in that way, being
Yeah.
very vague about it, of course, but I might think about that specific comment in the next one
Okay.
and take it differently.
So you do take constructive feedback.
Oh yeah,
Or
absolutely.
did you have a fight? ये नहीं था, ये तुमको ऐसा लग रहा है, ये मुझे ऐसा
No,
लग
no,
रहा है.
no one's done that.
ऐसा कुछ
At
नहीं
least as
किया
far
है.
as Dubai goes, no one's ever done that.
No one's ever done that.
it's a
And
fantastic
वैसे
moment.
हो भी तुम इतनी well mannered and mature child, and in such
Thank
a
you.
young age. I was never like that, and I wish I had a friend like you, so I would have been a better person at that age.
Thank you,
A
Miss
more
Lodge.
composed one, right?
Yeah, more composed one. So you have 3 girls here fan of you today.
Thank you. It means a lot.
Thank you for calling us girls.
Okay, so we come from a full-time pharmacist to taking a sabbatical and then hopping into art profession. So which profession do you basically love the most? And if you had a chance, would you go back to being a pharmacist?
Yes, I would definitely go back.
You'll definitely go back. Is it because you're not liking what you're doing, or
No,
why is
I
it?
love whatever I'm doing. I told you that my parents always like instilled this in us actually. Ke whatever you do, you enjoy that.
Okay.
So I'll stop painting when I stop enjoying. But I would definitely go back to my previous profession if I get a chance.
But why? What is that,
I don't know. I
Pulling
was
over you.
achieving a lot over there.
Okay, you feel that way.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll come back to the challenges of being an artist in a bit then. Okay, Stuti, about art therapy, there's a live example, like I said, like
Yeah.
how art can heal a person, and
True.
Subika is sitting right here. Okay, but I wanted to ask you, like, who can basically opt for art therapy? Who are the people?
Aisha, I think everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone. It's not like if you have trauma or if you have anxiety or some social issues. No, it's not for that. If you are normal person, also you can come and do art therapy.
Okay.
It just calm you, relax you, teach you how to deal with the situations, simple situations also. So there is no limit.
There's no limit to
No
that.
limit, yeah.
Okay, and
And there is a myth.
there's a myth about
About that. Oh, only mental sickness people comes there for
Yeah.
art therapy.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So that's not a thing.
no.
And when you say art, you're basically playing around with all the colors.
Yeah, colors, textures,
Okay.
lines, shapes, all the
All of
elements
that.
of the art.
How about these people like who are mostly into black and white?
No colors are negative.
No colours are negative.
According to me, no colors has a negative effects.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's something I needed to hear. So if people like me wear black and red, that doesn't mean anger, and black doesn't mean darkness
Not at all.
inside them. No?
No.
The soul is dark doesn't mean that,
Not
right?
at all.
हाँ.
No, no,
वही.
no.
सुन लिया ना तुम लोगों ने?
Come to my art therapy and I'll explain you.
Explain them. ये तुम्हारे लिए ही
Yeah,
था भाई.
sure.
Okay, we move to Abhigyan here. How has the art community basically helped you, Abhigyan?
Oh, it's as I mentioned, small criticisms, maybe small suggestions. Like one of these things happened. Both Farah and Shiba ma'am, they mentioned about how my signature in one of my paintings was a little too big, right, and it was kind of impeding with the flow. It's small things like these that just improve my artworks in general. Like for the most part, I'm a self-taught artist, and I learned basics from a few mentors, and massively thankful to them. Like I learned negative spacing, I learned how to properly utilize oil colors.
Okay.
And that was like the pivotal moment for me,
Okay.
learning oil colors and negative spacing. That's when I realized, okay, I can really do photoreal paintings. Before that, I was like, okay, just a bare bones artist who could barely do anything properly. After that, I was like, okay, I can really focus on something. I can really bring out certain details by warping my perspective to a certain extent.
Okay.
And these are the things that I think if you have good mentorship, anything is possible.
Absolutely. So, do you have any memorable project or artwork done so far? Like, Aisha, this was the best one so far.
Oh, I don't know about the best, but it's the most memorable one that I have.
Okay.
It's very recently. It was about this one painting that is by far my best piece, at least in my personal opinion. And it's been displayed only once in DIAC. I call it masquerading quintessence.
Okay.
Right. It really plays into the specific inspiration that I have.
Okay.
Basically, my inspiration stems from human emotions, but not just emotions blatantly as such. It's rather the contradictory natures of them and how our humans' logic, is very much warped, and it doesn't really make sense most of the time. Like one example would be perfection, right?
Okay.
We know objectively that perfection doesn't exist.
Absolutely.
As humans, because of imperfections, we have uniqueness. Like my imperfections give me uniqueness, and
Yeah.
that is a subject that I've made like two very different paintings about. And
Okay.
I enjoy that subject very much so. And speaking about the painting itself, it's something that took me a horribly long time, especially in a way. I'm going to blame the fact that I was finishing off my bachelor's degree, and anyone in India who has done a bachelor's, a BTech degree, they know just how stressful it can get. So
That might come back to you.
so in that nature, it actually took me a whole year to finish.
Okay.
Right. And just the eyes alone, it's a woman's eyes, blue eyes. Just the eyes alone took me 3 months each.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And those are the 6 months that I enjoyed the most. And then the rest of the phase I struggled.
Okay.
So very memorable.
Okay, got it. So, Vika, coming back to you, so besides painting, you are also into resin art.
Yes.
Yeah. And can you brief us a little bit about resin art and why did you prefer this kind of art?
Actually, I'm one of those people who always wash their hands, who don't like tacky things or sticky stuff and all that. It was a forced one actually on me. My husband gifted me a resin kit.
Okay.
And it was in 2017 and he wanted me to start doing that.
Okay.
And I was like, "Oh, it is too tacky and I just can't, or it is obviously बहुत sticky है and
हाँ.
like for a person like me जो बार बार हाथ
OCD वाले बंदे.
हाँ जो अंडा तोड़ रहा है तो हाथ धो रहा है,
हाँ.
प्याज निकाल रहा है तो हाथ धो रहा है. It was like that. But as soon as I started, it was so soothing. And I have amazing friends around me who started appreciating, and I instantly started getting orders.
Yeah.
Like within the first month, I would say one of my friend from the US, she gave an order to me, and one over here, I started getting order as soon as I like. It is more of my commercial side, you can say. Raisin is more of my
Yeah.
money earning thing,
Yeah.
and the painting one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Raisin was like that.
I
It
know you
started
have
like
a
that.
fan. I mean, like, you have quite a lot of fans here for your Raisin art, and especially I'm here right now, and she makes amazing jewelry out of it. I think what's your latest accomplishment that you have done with Raisin art?
The table.
The table.
Yes.
We need to tell them like how long the table was.
Okay, it was a 10 meters table. I recently did for somebody, and it was an achievement for me because I was not very sure about it myself. Even like I wasn't able, like I couldn't comprehend that I'll be able to do it or not.
First of all, you couldn't comprehend 10 meters long table कौन रखता है घर पे? But रखा है, and you know,
yes.
and वो I can imagine the person must be so passionate towards art that she chose you and
Yes.
she handed that project to you saying कि 10 मीटर लंबा टेबल मेरे
And
लिए
she
बना.
loves raisin.
She loves
The lady
raisin.
who asked me, she loves raisin, and she has amazing raisin pieces in her house.
And I've known one more thing, Zubika, like they preserve, especially the people
do
who have
that, yes.
died. You know, there are things they preserve in the raisin
Yes,
art.
I do that.
You do that
I
as well.
preserve letters. I preserve their like collectibles, like glasses or love letters or parents' letters. Basically, I love doing that. Actually, flowers, fabric. I do.
Even
I've made
shoes.
I've made a map of Pakistan with the fabric, which is very cultural fabric of Pakistan.
Okay.
Yes. You name it, and I seal it.
Okay.
Yes, fruits, vegetables.
That as well.
I recently did a cake platter for a chef in
Okay.
Pakistan, and I sealed orange slices, and the whole garam masala, whole spices in that.
Okay.
Cloves, cardamom, and everything. It was all in that platter.
Wow. So it's more than just an art, like you're making memories with them.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Suti, a little bit more into art therapy if I have to go. और इन लोगों को जिन्होंने कलर के बारे में उल्टा सिल्टा बोला है उनको हम बताते हैं. So can you just run us through the different kinds of therapies that you have into it?
Okay, in art therapy there are different techniques. So you can have painting, you can do drawing, you can go for sculpturing, you can go for clay molding.
Okay.
You know, even digital art is very famous now and then. So it's not one thing. There are lots of creative activity, maybe resin also. Because what happens when you do art, your cortisol levels go down.
Okay.
And it's smoothing and it's more calming to yourself.
Okay.
Yeah. So there are lots of techniques.
Okay.
In art
Anything if
therapy.
you want to say कि अगर मेरे को एक कलर्स के बारे में जानना है,
हाँ.
and you know अगर ये बेसिक आइडिया सबको होना चाहिए, so what would that be?
Colors, I think the 7 chakras colors are the basics.
Okay.
Like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
And quickly अगर आप बताना चाहो very quickly कि what does it stand for, मतलब red किस लिए?
Red is for energy.
Okay.
Okay. Orange is for sexuality
Okay.
and creativity.
Okay.
It has 2 effects. It has all the colors has many effects, but I'm
very core
yeah.
ones you're talking about.
Yeah. Okay. Yellow is also energy. Green is like grounding. It keeps you grounded.
Okay.
Okay. Blue is for calming and for a speech. If you have anything related to speech, you should concentrate on light blue color.
Okay.
Yeah. And the third eye chakra is indigo color.
Okay.
And the main chakra, the heart chakra, is more violet. So it's like wisdom.
Okay.
Yeah.
सारे cover कर लिए.
Yeah. And white always observe, you know, and reflect.
Okay.
So many of the saints, many of the people who wants to reflect their energy, they wear white.
इसलिए मैंने तुम लोगों को whitish दिया. Okay, that's nice. Good
Yes.
information for
We
us.
should have worn white then. We should have
नहीं
worn
मेरे लिए
white.
ब्लैक के बराबर है, मैं यहाँ रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. Okay, now this is one question. This is something for all. There are a couple of questions open for all now. let's get into a little bit of detail about the art industry. Making money is challenging when you're an artist. It is not everybody's cup of tea. Not everybody is making millions. Like I
course.
know of
Nobody is
one.
making millions.
There are few, like that beautiful artwork of that banana, if you have remembered, on the wall, and that person bought it for millions. That was amazing. I mean, like इतना पैशनेट होना चाहिए आर्ट के लिए कि बंदे ने खरीद लिया और खा भी लिया करके ये सुबिका ने मेरे को बोला खा लिया.
That is one in a million, probably.
हाँ,
Not million, minion.
mini.
I know, for sure.
So, how do you all manage to get that or touch that part where you can sell your artwork and make money out of it?
So I think I'm a little too young to say anything. I've just 10 years of experience.
Yeah,
right?
just 10 years.
I mean, most of my development happened in the last 5, so effectively 5 years. But I have been an artist for 10. And what I think more than anything else, when I see people selling their artworks, right, established artists, one thing that I've noticed is that they have a very distinctive style. They may not even sign an artwork, but if you look at it and you have seen the artworks before, you can recognize it.
Okay.
Right. Very obvious example, Van Gogh. Right. You see his painting, you know it's his painting.
Okay.
And if someone copies his style, everyone's going to be like, oh, you did the Van Gogh style.
Copied
Okay.
him, yes.
Yeah, it's basically like that. So, in that regard, that's not something that I've developed yet. I have some ideas as to what I want to do. And I have made like 2 or 3 paintings thus far that sort of go for a very specific style. Something
Okay.
that I'm trying to establish as an artist. I think if you really want to commercialize on it, then having a style is imperative.
Okay. But sometimes it does take time to
Yes,
have
yes.
your own style. So in that meanwhile, like, do you just paint and keep it with us? Like, how does that happen then?
I do that. I do just that. I basically paint exactly what I want when I want, and I just hang it up on my walls. It's
Okay.
in a way an inspiration. Like if it's a really good piece that I'm really proud of, then in a way I strive to make something that's even better.
Okay.
That's usually the way I see it.
Okay, got it. Subika, how about you?
Okay. It isn't about money at all. You don't sell your paintings often. It doesn't get sold. It is a myth if somebody is saying that we get our artwork sold every now and then. That doesn't happen very commonly. It's pure luck, you can say. And I do commissioned art pieces more. That earns me money
Okay.
instead of these exhibitions or something like that. But for the style of painting, as Avigyan mentioned, I recently participated in an exhibition, and a friend's husband was there in that area, and he had a look on the paintings from afar, and he was like, "This painting looks like it is done by Bhabhi, like me."
Okay.
Yes, and he went closer to the painting to take the picture and check out the name that it was done by me.
Wow.
And it was a very proud moment for me. I loved this statement that he knew it from a far space के distance के ये वाला भाभी ने किया हुआ है काम. तो I wanted to go and see के है भी उन्हीं का या नहीं. It made me very proud.
So nice, na?
And he sent the picture to my husband instantly after
Amazing. And Suti, how about you? I don't think you make much of artwork as such, but it is again art therapy, and not everyone again is aware of this art therapy.
True.
So how do you deal with that?
Okay, I do workshops, and I have online clients who are facing depressions.
Okay.
And they do come online, and I do art therapy with them.
Okay.
So I have such things for finance, but I'm not looking for that. I want to give back to the society.
Okay.
That's it. My mantra is that.
Amazing. So we move to this another question, which is another important question now. What are the challenges you guys face being an artist? We start with you.
Time.
Time.
More than anything else, time. I mean, I kind of axed my own leg with that because I tend to do too many things at once because I can't sit still. Right? There's that. So initially I was just an artist and then a student, and I was like, well, I have some time, so let's try and start tech YouTube. And now I'm realizing, yep, maybe I should have waited. But in a way, it's a good thing because sometimes I'm busy, like horribly busy, but then other times when it lines up perfectly, right? Let's just say today I'm going to just work on my painting. Tomorrow I'm going to just work on YouTube, right? And then day after tomorrow I'll just finish off an assignment and submit that. So it works out like that sometimes.
So you need to be organized with that. So
Yeah,
basically-
organization is the biggest and most challenging part, mainly because inspiration comes at very awkward times. When like I have to wake up the next day and then I'm feeling inspired the night before, that's very bad.
Okay, got it. We move to Subika. What are your challenges basically as an artist?
Nothing as such, because it calms me, though nothing is more of that, like
But
no-
as an artist, अभी maybe profession wise हुआ या फिर personal wise हुआ, उसमें क्या दिक्कतें आती हैं usually?
saturation hai. A lot of saturation is happening, as I do resin as my niche basically. तो उसमें saturation is happening a lot. दूसरा ये, obviously we do need finances for painting and everything as
Yeah.
well.
To get all
Definitely,
the
yeah, the
resources.
material is so damn expensive, so we need some money to buy that. Always dependent on husband's money and
So
all
yeah,
that.
that happens. Okay, got it. So finances से related
Yes.
ज़्यादा. And Stuti, how about you? What are the challenges you face as an art therapist?
Doubts.
Doubts.
Yeah, people
Endless.
doubted art therapy.
हाँ.
That ये क्या है? You know, like therapy, art therapy कैसे run करता है? दूसरी therapies सुनी है, like
हाँ.
dance therapy, talk therapy. What is art therapy?
हाँ.
And the doubts is killing me.
कोई ऐसा नहीं बोलता मैं आज ग्रीन पहन रहा हूँ मेरे को आज तो आई एम नॉट फीलिंग काम एट ऑल. Did that ever happen to you?
No.
No. आज मैंने
Like
ब्लू
that.
पहना है, आपने बोला मैं काम रहूंगा, आज काम ही नहीं है, मैं तो इनफैक्ट 4 लोगों को मार
नहीं,
के आ
मेरा-
रहा हूँ थप्पड़.
उल्टा है, मेरे हस्बैंड बोल रहे हैं कि आज मैं ये फील कर रहा हूँ, मैं क्या पहनूं?
ओके, वो भी एक फीलिंग है, सफेद पहन लो.
Start charging him.
True. Okay, so that was cool. Now और एक चीज़ है, this is something I think most of the artists face, not only this, the ones who draw and paint or sketch, but I think most of the artists, the creative block. So what do you all do when you get that creative block? मतलब you have it, but then suddenly nothing is striking and you don't want to do at all. So what do you do at that point?
I haven't had any creative blocks in my art career as such, but
Mashallah.
I'm very lucky. I'm very
Mashallah.
lucky. But in my tech YouTube, see, the way I make it is I make camera comparisons and I make reviews of smartphones.
Okay.
So in the review of the smartphone, I make it a point to make stylized intro for the smartphone. Right, every single one I tend to do it differently. Right, and over the years I'm kind of running out of ideas, and it can happen. Like last year, it happened once when I just I could not get any proper idea. And the best way to do it at that point is to just look at sources. right?
Okay.
Like watch a really well rated, cinematographically well rated movie.
Okay.
Right, watching some TV shows or something like that, just watching camera movements and watching for the sake of observation,
Okay.
not just for entertainment, of course.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
That's something that I do, and I think it can be translated to other artists as well. Let's say if at one point in time it's definitely going to happen, I'll get a creative block in my art career as well. At that point, I'll probably be like just Google artworks, or I'll go through Instagram and just look at all the other artworks,
Okay.
and that's something that has worked for me.
Makes sense. Okay. And you, Subika?
I stopped doing anything at that time. I start reading.
You start reading?
Yes.
Okay.
I-
पूरा diversion ही पूरा.
Yes. Because I know पूरा दिन ऐसे ही जाएगा. I won't be able to do anything. at that
कभी
time.
ऐसा हुआ है रात को सोते सोते सडनली मेरे को अभी याद आ रहा है,
हाँ.
मैं जाके डाल दूं वहाँ पे पेपर पे,
हाँ,
कैनवस
ये
पे?
have done
हुआ?
this a lot, yes.
It happened?
Yeah.
मैं ऐसे ही फेंक रही थी हवा में.
नहीं ऐसा होता है
ऐसा
कि you
होता है.
can't sleep, you are unable to sleep, और आपको एकदम से कुछ क्लिक कर जाता है and you have to leave the bed instantly.
Okay, got it. तो ऐसे भी लोग हैं मेरी तरह. And you, स्तुति, तुम्हारे इसमें कैसे हो जाता है?
I
Creative block तो
wanted
नहीं
to
होगा?
I wanted to be with around my kids and my family.
Okay. Like what kind of blocks do you get usually? When creative block आपके इसमें कैसा होता है as a therapist?
As a therapist, you know, sometimes it's you go blank.
Okay.
What to say, what to do. You know, if the clients start crying,
Oh,
you know,
okay.
they are in such a depression, they start crying. तो उस टाइम ब्लॉक हो जाते हैं कि क्या बोलूँ, मैं क्या करूँ, because I'm not a talk therapist, right? So at that time, this is the block, and then I go into relaxation, like breathing exercise, you know, and that helps.
That helps.
Yeah.
And then you go back. मैं बोलूँगी I'll come back to you again.
Yeah.
अब करते हैं, दोनों मिलके आर्ट करते हैं. अभी
Yes.
आपका ठीक करते हैं. टॉक वाला नहीं कि जमा अभी आर्ट वाला करते हैं, चलो. Okay. So we are going really well. I'm loving the conversation. Everyone's so energetic. है, खाली फोकट में तुम टेंशन ले रहे हो. अभी एक बताओ मेरे को, is social media a blessing or a burden nowadays for the artist especially? Okay.
Even the small artists are given exposure, like they can show their artwork and everything.
हाँ.
So I think it's a blessing.
It is a blessing. It has worked out well.
Yeah.
It can be both.
It can be both.
Yes.
हाँ, क्योंकि ट्रोलिंग भी बहुत अच्छी चलती है ना वहाँ पे. हाँ, और कॉपी भी होते हैं ना, अपने आर्टवर्क भी कॉपी होने के चांसेस होते हैं.
वो तो
Isn't
होता ही
it?
है. That is like
That's a
obviously
part.
that is a part and parcel of it. We accept it
We accept
wholeheartedly.
it. Okay.
True.
Okay.
That is a part and parcel of it.
Got it. And you?
For me, it has been a blessing. I know about the trolling and everything because internet gives us anonymity, and people will say whatever they want.
Yeah.
It's something I face on YouTube as well. Like, most of the community is incredible, absolutely fantastic. But when it comes to some people, it's mostly nonsense that they troll about. And I think the best way is to either have fun with it or just ignore it.
Ignore it.
Ignore it.
Most
I
people
think the
ignore it.
best
I like to
thing
have fun
Ignorance
with
is
Yeah.
bliss in every
We
case.
remove the
actually,
comment.
yeah.
We have our media team proper बैठे
We don't do
निकाल
anything.
दे सब numbers.
We don't do anything. We ignore.
Yeah.
You ignore. हाँ. मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता
For
पढ़ते
me,
वक्त.
maybe it's a little masochistic on my end, but I like to have fun with it. Like they are
Young
being
blood
negative, I be negative on them, and then I'm just laughing through the entire process. It's a lot of fun when that happens.
That's a young blood actually.
या यंग
Yeah.
ब्लड है. हमने भी बहुत किए वैसे.
exactly.
उसके बाद में बेजार आ गया करके.
अब बस हो गई है.
अब बस हो गया. So we sit down and we remove the comments. Usually we don't get, but yes. And social media, I'm here because of social media. Or no ordinary teachers sitting at home taking classes just for free for the whole year, and suddenly out of the blue you become famous and get known for your work. And sitting at the comfort of your home, you get to know half of the world.
Yes.
True.
And the world knows you. You haven't even met them, but the world knows you. Imagine without social media, it wouldn't have been
Yes,
possible.
definitely.
And that is how I think I met you three guys as well, the amazing
Yes.
people. So, Alhamdulillah. Okay, so this is a Hyderabadi bag and round. So, where you guys are going to tell, we usually have placards, but मुंह से बोल लो. Okay? Sachi and Baigan. Okay, Baigan means no.
Okay.
Okay, Sachi means yes. Okay, we'll put it that way. Baigan has different meanings. In this context, it is no.
Okay.
Got it. हैदराबादी लोग आ जाएंगे फिर. क्या बोल रही है आयशा करके?
He's laughing
Artists
as well.
are super messy and unorganized.
Vegan.
Baigan?
Like,
Sometimes.
Sometimes. So
Yeah.
दोनों है.
हाँ.
Sachi and Baigan both.
actually, no.
Messy
I
is
should
al-
also say in
of
between.
course,
It's in
yeah.
between.
In between?
Yeah.
I didn't
Because-
want to be realistic actually.
So
Because,
दोनों.
because it depends really.
Yeah. If you see my workshop, it's messy.
It's messy.
Yeah.
But then बैठ के साफ करते हो उसके बाद.
Yes, obviously. We need to clean the mess.
But when you are in the art process, it is
messy.
yeah.
I mean, it depends on the artwork as well. Like if I'm doing oil painting, then there's no mess.
Okay.
But if I'm doing one of those like acrylic Dutch pours, right, then oh my god, like I live in a studio room,
Yes, textures as well.
and
yeah.
the way it works is we have to basically make a three-way fortress around this small square dining table that I have. Right, I need to wear an apron, which
Yeah.
doesn't protect much, and and even after that, right, the way I do Dutch pour is I pour the colors on the canvas.
हाँ.
And then I blow it out with a hairdryer.
Wow.
So you can
okay.
imagine the splatter that can
Yeah,
happen, right? And that's essentially when the mess happens.
Okay. Then you call your helper, or you sit down and taking the
Oh, no,
jhadu
I'm
pocha?
only doing that when my mom is around because she basically helps me with the whole thing. There's no way I'm doing that on my
Moms
own.
are blessing, yes.
Smart बंदा है ये बच्चा हमारा. Okay, next one. You need a degree to be a successful artist.
Vegan.
Baigan.
Vegan.
No chance.
No chance.
I'm self-taught and I basically have no education about art.
Yes, same here. Same
Okay.
here.
All three of you? No, she started later at a later age. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one. Talent is more important than consistency.
नहीं,
नहीं,
consistency
is more important.
More important than
Then talent. Because यहाँ पे question ऐसा है, talent is more important than consistency.
No, I think consistency is more important.
Vegan
Okay.
it is.
So Baigan.
Vegan.
Vegan.
Yeah.
Baigan only? Okay. और सिर्फ बंदा consistent है और talented नहीं है तो
Sometime he will
learn
reach.
someday.
They will learn.
Sometime
He'll reach
he will
there.
reach his dream.
अच्छे बच्चे हैं क्या आंसर आ देते कि प्यारे प्यारे आंसर आ Okay. You don't need to be young to become an artist.
Not at all.
हाँ.
No.
We are young though. But still.
No, even 3-year-old child can make an art and we are surprised, wow, what he made.
हाँ.
We have an amazing artist. If you know Anjani Prakash uncle.
हाँ, yes,
Yes.
yes,
He's not he's not a young blood, but he's young at heart and he's an amazing artist.
Wow. So age is just a number and there's
Yes.
nothing related to that. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I look up to him a lot because he's not just an artist. He himself portrays himself as an artwork.
Yes.
Mashallah.
With the way he carries himself, the way he dresses,
And
everything put together, it's incredible.
And his statements, he's so
Milan.
motivating.
Absolutely.
He once told me that in my first exhibition, I asked him for his opinion on my artwork. He said, "You never ask for an opinion about your baby.
Oh
Do you
my
ask
God.
anybody's opinion about your kid? How can you ask about any random person about your painting? You should not ask this." And I
Wow.
never asked this again.
ऐसे रहना चाहिए. Mentors should be like
Yes,
this.
Yes, yes,
he's
You
an
know, not a
amazing,
person
amazing
who
person.
randomly come, ये थोड़ा ठीक कर लेते, वो ठीक कर सकते हैं, but you know, constructive feedback भी
Yes.
होना चाहिए. But these kind of mentors, my goodness. Okay, I have to meet him
और
there.
आपको ना डुडलिंग देखना चाहिए स्मॉल बच्चों के.
Yes.
They are amazing.
ना?
They have their heart out on this doodling things.
ट्रेंड में चल रहे हैं बच्चे आजकल डूडलिंग
Yeah.
करते वक्त. अपने को करना है अभी. नेक्स्ट बैठ के हम आर्ट थेरेपी लेंगे. मैं इसके साथ बैठने वाली हूँ.
पक्का done.
Okay. So we are almost there towards the end. बस एक मैसेज चाहिए to all the aspiring artists. So we'll go in this rhyme. So अगर आपकी तरफ से एक मैसेज जाता है to all the aspiring artists, तो क्या होगा वो? tada!
Don't stop.
Don't stop.
That's the best way to put it, because the path to mastering yourself, it really is all about just how stubborn you can be about that. Essentially, that's what I do in my case as well, because I don't think I have a lot of talent as such, right? And the whole reason I do the whole self-taught thing, right? The whole reason I don't watch YouTube videos when I'm stuck. I know the solutions are there. I've seen the thumbnails and I know the solutions are present, but I don't watch them because I want to discover it for myself.
Okay.
And I find a lot of pleasure, a lot of euphoria in that. And this is something that you can discover for yourself. For some, it might be that having a methodical approach is what gives them their euphoria. Figure that out and then follow through.
Amazing. माशाल्लाह प्यारा बच्चा नजर लग जाता अभी क्या को मेरा. Okay, Suvika, you
Start.
start.
Yes.
Love that.
There's a start somewhere, like, and it's never too late to start anything. There's a start, and there shouldn't be a stop, as he said.
Amazing. ये don't stop का start हो गया इसका.
Yes.
ये amazing. Stuti.
Yeah, I have a common mantra. It's like BPT. B is believe in yourself. P means practice every day what you love. And T means try to come out of your comfort zone.
Amazing. BPT.
Yeah.
मुझे लगा ब्लड प्रेशर के बारे में बोल रहे थे.
Blood pressure and temperature then.
Yeah.
पूरी मेडिकल साइंस इनकी उठा ली करके. और दोनों मेडिकल बैकग्राउंड से हो वैसे.
Yes.
Yeah.
श्रुति को छोड़ के.
Yeah.
हाँ. Okay, that's amazing, guys. And thank you so much for being here. It was wonderful talking. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है तीनों से मैं पहली बार, तुम तीनों साथ में पहली बार बैठे हुए. ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम लोग वो नहीं होते कॉफी डेट पे जाते हैं बंच,
I
वैसा
know.
वाला फील हो रहा था. And thank you so much for sharing your heart out. And just keep growing and keep doing the good work that you're doing. And maybe grow together. That's what I can say.
Inshallah.
And लो पप्पी तुम लोगों को.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Thank
for
you so
having us.
much.
Thank you so much.
Most
Aisha.
welcome. So we'll wind it up here. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. This is Aisha Sheikh, your host, and this is Chaisha with Aisha Season 2. Special thanks to our title sponsor, Khas IT, and our studio partner, Square 89. See you again. Bye.